How to make authentic Kashmiri kahwa chai. Keep samovar on tandoor. Put one aloo, some tea bags on the fire. Mix them well. Then take some baking soda, put it on the chai. Shake it, stir it. Put the mixture in freezer for some 40 minutes. Take out the spoon after 30 seconds. You can see tea settled at the bottom. Now chakna the chai. Put it in a washing machine. Put some ice cubes in. Set temperature to 2 minutes. Mix it well. Take the gruel and put it in the oven for 3 seconds. Take it out after 3 hours and your Kashmiri kahwa chai is ready. You can now enjoy this kahwa chai in your balcony. Great weather. Have a sip. Enjoy.